Okay, so now in importing parameters, pass the name of the variable and the job output info. What is it? This is the variable, so let's just copy it and here paste it. So now what is happening? This function module is given the instruction to return the OTF data in this variables OTF data, right? As you can see from here, the structure, this OTF data, this variables OTF data table. Okay, so like I think this is a structure. Oh yes. Okay, so now we have the OTF data. Now OTF data we have got in OTF data table of this variable. Now we have to convert the OTF to PDF, right? So for that we are gonna use the function module, which is convert underscore OTF. So this you have to remember, and this is a very important interview question as well. Also you are going to use it on daily basis if you are working in Smartform. So let me just recall the name of the function module. Yeah, it's convert underscore OTF. Hit enter. So here you can see our function module. Okay, so here now in the exporting, it's asking what format you want. So what format we want? It's just uncommented. Oops. So we want the format as PDF. So to replace ASCII with the PDF. Then in the tables we can see there are two tables, OTF and lines. So let's just go inside this function module and see it's importing exporting parameters. So let's press yes. So you can see this is our function module convert OTF. Here in import we have all these parameter name which are acting as an input, and here in export we have all these parameters which are acting as output. In the tables you can see we have OTF, which is of type ITCO. This is an input table with OTF format. Like in this function module, this is input table where we will have to provide the OTF format. And here this lines like D line, this is an output table which will convert the OTF, which this is received in OTF, and convert it into PDF and will return in this table lines, which is of type D line. If we double click it, you can see it over here. So let's declare these two variables. So one is this, and then so let's declare two internal tables of this type. So just copy it, go to the report. Okay, I think we will have to press back because okay, yeah. So here let's just declare the variable. You can name anything as per your choice, like you can take it as lt underscore itco. So let me make it it underscore oo. Type standard table which is of type this, and then we have one more. So this it underscore oo, where we will get the output in PDF. So let's just see where to keep the means. Just gonna double click over here, and in the tables you can see this is the input table with itcoo. Okay. Okay, so like itcoo is the associated type of input table with OTF format. So here, and then we have T line. Okay, so itcoo will be used as for OTF. And then we have T line. So let's declare that as it underscore T line type standard table of T line. Save it. So let's just for confirmation go to convert to UT. So here in the tables we can see this itcoo type will be the input table with OTF format, and this T line will be output table with target format, that is our PDF. So let's pass these tables in the convert OTF. Here in the OTF we will pass itOTF because it is of type itcoo, which contains our input in OTF format. So what's the name? itOTF. We'll just copy it right here. Then we have T line, make it T line, it underscore T line. So pass it in the term lines. Oops. IT. अरे यार, it's just it underscore TLNE. Just save it. Let's check whatever it is. Okay, it's saying the, so some spelling mistake might be.